Hey guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and in this video we are talking about the process of using micellar water for our makeup brushes. Well, I have a video about micellar water where I am against using micellar water on your face without washing it off, because if you look at the ingredients and what micellar water is, it's pretty much like putting soap on your face and then leaving it on, using it as a toner, so which completely doesn't make any sense. That's why I am against that. So if you want to know more about micellar water, definitely check out my video. But what micellar water is really great at is removing the dirt, which could be used with great advantage for our makeup brushes. Also, any type of brushes for like makeup, I mean concealers, it could be foundation, could be your eyeshadow, anything. First of all, we all need to remember the rule of washing our makeup brushes at least once a week. If you are suffering from acne, I would even say wash it either after every use or at least after every second use. It is important because this way you will really prevent the ground from breeding bacteria, and also the makeup will be easier to apply because the brush will not have this buildup of makeup already, the product on it. If you actually follow all the rules I'm going to share with you in this video, the brush would serve you 1 to 5 years. And that's really amazing, right? So what are we doing? Obviously, we wash our face every day, and once a week, maybe over the weekend, you can find 5 or 10 minutes for taking care of all your brushes. So in case you're not putting makeup on your face daily, I would still recommend washing them once a week because the dust is building up on top of them anyways, so it's a good idea to wash them. So what are we going to need? So we are going to need a brush and micellar water and a tissue. So I'm going to use this just cotton gauze. This is the only thing I'm using for my face. I don't really like to use cotton pads this much because of this little tiny particles that are left on your skin, so I love using this. So what we are going to use is, before washing our brush with water, we're going to apply micellar water on top of it sort of to dissolve. So I salted, and now I'm going to apply it on the brush like that. Actually, it is a very good tip. For example, you are on the road and you do not have an opportunity to wash your brush with water, there is no water, maybe you're traveling. So the easiest way is actually to have it with you, just a little bottle of micellar water and a napkin, and this way you are going to clean your brush this way. I know there are special napkins, tissues, whatever, I don't really know how they call, but I know they exist. They already pre-packed and you just wash your brush with it. But if you don't have it and you have micellar water, you could use it. So the brush was completely soaked with foundation, and now the foundation, I mean, not completely, I don't put makeup very often, but it was dirty and now it is clean. So we can see how fast, very, very fast, micellar water got rid of all the dirt. Now that's a good thing. What we're going to use right now, normally you would just wash it regularly with the soap. It's important what type of soap you're using because you don't want to use anything harsh. You could use something without SLS. You could use very mild dish soap for that purpose. Now there are makeup brush shampoos. I like this one by EcoTools, but again, it is maybe not necessarily to buy something like that, but it says that it's good for deep weekly cleans. That's exactly what you need. It's free of parabens, dermatology tested, hypoallergenic. So I'm using this one normally. Also use something gentle like probably Avena. This it's a baby wash and shampoo, so you could use that as well. So there's really, like, you know, a lot of things to choose. A very important thing when you wash your brush is you do not try to apply water like everywhere. You try to wash only like this part, and carefully, you don't really twist it like that when you want to remove the excess of water. You don't do this. You just gently, like, you know, push it. That's it. And then you put it on the towel like that, not like that, not like that, like this, so it could dry. Now you could even turn it like that around so the other side could dry. You really need to dry it with a towel and so on, so you don't need to be harsh, just gentle. Now, this part could be, you could spray alcohol on it and just wipe it clean. That's also a good idea because you know you're touching this part with your hands as well. So as you can see, it's very simple. So this is what you do. You just, before washing your brush, you use micellar water. And don't forget about this tip. You know, again, if you're on the road, you might even use this antibacterial wipes. You know, you definitely have them on the road, and you could put micellar water on top of that, and then you can wipe your brush. This is actually the fastest and the safest way of cleaning your brush on the road or while you're traveling. You could use the same tip with sponges, but you know, sponges, they don't really serve us as long as the brushes do, but the same method works with the sponges wonderfully. So this is it. I've showed you the trick with micellar water. It could be any type of micellar water, but because I don't really use micellar water on my face, that's pretty much the only way I could use micellar water solution. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you like this idea and tip of washing on the road with micellar water, of cleansing your brushes. If you have any questions, let me know. Please put the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.